Hello, Mario! Video 30, Elevations 3. We're going to try and sort of start forming up the outline of some of these buildings so that we can then use that to fill in the details. And it also translates one elevation to the other. So, yep, we'll just try and get out of here. Oops, it's not working so good. Okay, we'll come to basic. Here we are here. That's better. And then we'll just clear off the big screen and we're back in business. So here we are. These are all going up to the underside of the truss. We probably don't need them, any of them, to go too much further than that, I don't think, at this stage. So I think I can trim TR into enter, and I think I can get rid of all these. Yep, cool. So that's taking everything up to the underside of the truss. Now I'm just going to identify oh no, I didn't want to get rid of it. Control Z, escape. Oh no, that's too far. TR enter. Let's just. Oh no, not what I wanted. TR enter. Well, you can just select that line there, and then push the space bar again, and then it'll just delete everything to that line. So that's pretty good. Alright, now what I want to do is I'm going to just, these ones here, there's the outside of the house, so they're the outside line of our, pretty much our extent of what we're going to be doing. So I'm just going to identify those two there as they're the outside of the roof line. So I just might give them a different colour for now, just magenta maybe. Okay, and then we can see that that's a wall line there. Okay, so that's where that wall's going to go. That's got to be a wall line there. That's okay, we've got a line missing in here. So I'll just make those two there. I'll make those red. I can always put them back to whatever later on. So I'll just make those two red, and just confirming that they're each the outside of the bricks of that house there. Now it seems here we've got a man down here, so let's just copy that there. CP enter from there. Oh, it's not good. CP copy. We're going to select that object, spacebar to get us out of selection. Oh, I lost it. CP enter. CP copy. I want to copy that. And I want to copy it from there to there. Okay, and I want to make it red there. So that one's going to be red, and this one here, yeah, because that's a push out, that's going to be there, but that's, oh, we actually haven't. This one here is actually at the wrong point, so I'm going to move that line and move it out to the brick line there, because that's where it should be. Oh, that might cause a bit of a ruckus up here. Yes, so we'll just extend that while we can. Extend, oh, extend, come on. So just poke that to there. Yeah, okay, alright, so that's the push out and that's the the actual building line. So we just might want to check that these are correct. So we want that one there to be red. Now that one's okay. And we want this one here as well, the line, and we want them, I'm going to make those red, just for now, red. Okay, cool. So that means we should have up here identified the outside of the building in the red, and that's the underline of the truss. Well, actually, that's the brick line. We actually want those there to be at the frame line because that's where the truss is. So we must be continually CP enter. Okay, CP enter that line. Finish. We're gonna. Things not going quite well. Control Z. Yes. Okay. Right. So. CP for copy. We're going to that line there. We'll finish. It still wants us to select that line there. Finish selecting objects, and we want to copy it from there to the frame line. Okay, because that is where the top of the truss is going to be. And we also need to do the same on this side here. CP. Oh, that line. CP enter. And it's got to go to there. Like that, because that is the truss, where the truss goes. Okay, now we now know that the truss actually goes as a 20 degree. That's the bottom of the truss, and it's got the plate on it will be 20 degrees. So what we need to do is get a 20 degree line going up there from there. So I'll just trim that out. Okay, now to get a 20 degree line out there, one of the ways that can do it, there are many ways, is we can go to here, and go to tracking settings, and we can change that to 10 degrees. So it'll track every 10 degrees. We want it relative to the last segment. That's all good. Okay, so what we can do is we can just draw a line in here through to there. Okay, and now we can draw another line into here like that, and it's got to be, we've got to turn the ortho off, and you can see that it'll 162. So down there, that there is 180. Oh, something's not quite right here. That's 180, so we won't actually want to go. Hang on. That doesn't. Delete. So if we go line from there, let's just say it's to there. That's 180. Okay, now if we draw a line here, if that's 180 and we want it every 20, oh, now I've got to turn this on, that's the problem. Okay. So that's 150, that's 160 there. Okay. Okay, so if that there's like 80, okay, so that's got to be 20 length, dynamic, so that's got to go out there like that at 20 degrees, and it's going to continue down there till it meets the outside roof line, which is the magenta. I'll just put it past there like that. So that's where that one's going to go, there like that, and then we're going to do another one from here. So we're going to draw a line from here, like that, click that onto there. I'll just go to there, that's 0 degrees, okay, and then we need to draw another line enter from here, and that's 20, there it is there, so that's 20 degrees, and then we'll lengthen that. Oh, L-E-N, lengthen. It's already should be showing dynamic, so we push enter, and we're going to push that little line out there like that. Okay, and that one up there like that. And this is going to give us our roof, and this one here down there like that. Now let's just check this out. That's got a bearing of 70 degrees. Now bearings are measured clockwise from north, so 70 degrees to there, 20 to there would be 90. That seems okay. This one here, let's just do one click. This one here has got a bearing of 290, which is 270 plus 20, and that's through the frame line, and that's through the frame line out to the edge of our thing there, and they're intersecting there, which is going to give us the top of our truss at this point. But we have got a bit more work to do here, so TR, enter, and we'll just select those and that there. So that's going to be, doesn't want to, TR, enter. Oh yeah, there you go. That's essentially some of the components of our truss, and so that's going to determine our roof height across on the other elevation. So very important that you get all that correct. Ideally, oh no, that we can't sort of do that, but if we drop that down there, that should be the middle, and if we measure that from that frame line to there, 3435 approximately, I'd say. I haven't clicked that too well through to there. 3335. Not spectacular. So let's just try that again. Measure. I was expecting that to be the same from there through to there. 3335. From there. Three, 3, 3, 5. Yeah, nice in the middle. 3, 3, 3, 5. 6, 6, 7, 0. I would suggest that that's gonna give us, that's from the frame line, 6670, very good. So that's sort of telling us that things are not too bad there, so we're starting to just work on the outline here and get a few things sorted in there. So I'm going to leave it there and come back to you a bit later on with another look at outline. So